Hey guys, so I'm starting this vlog at like a really random time. It's like maybe 3:30 in the afternoon. I just got back from Walmart and I am just going to be showing you what I do during finals week. So studying, and I'm gonna also be making some gifts. Yeah. So I'm drinking ginger tea for multiple reasons. One reason is because I'm cramping, and this is like the worst time ever to be cramping, but you know, that's what's going on, so I'll deal with it. And then another reason is when I was coming back from Walmart, I was craving like Starbucks, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make some tea when I get home, because I think especially during this time, like finals week, it's very tempting to just go and drink coffee, and like a strong coffee. But I've been noticing recently that with my anxiety, coffee is just not really my friend, and I get really jittery. It may have been just because I had it on an empty stomach one time, which is not good. Don't do that. But I just want to see how I feel staying away from it. So I'm drinking tea. It's pretty calming and it'll help with my cramps, and I didn't spend any money, so that's good. So I've got my tea here and I'm working on my Quizlet. It's a ton of words. There's like 288. So one of the other things I like to do when I have finals, because I know I get so like cooped up so that I can study, but I like to take breaks and see people, because after a while of being alone, I'm just like, I don't know what it is, but I'm not feeling it. So I'm going to the cafeteria for dinner right now, and hopefully that will help. I've already taken 2 of my finals. I was studying this morning, and then I took one this afternoon. I'm studying for a really big one that I have tomorrow, and then I also have an essay final to turn in tomorrow. Set the bananas out for a little bit to brown. My hands don't want to work. So these are the little baggies. They're snowflakes, not snowflakes. Snowmen. I don't know why that took me so long. So yesterday I barely filmed. I just ended up giving some people their presents and studying some more. So I'm almost done, but I'm having some toast for breakfast with cashew butter and fig jam. It's actually really good. And then this morning while I was eating my toast, I studied my Quizlet, and then I also, let me get my tests. I went through my tests, my old tests, and I corrected the ones that were wrong. So like here, I went through, and then see, like this one was wrong. So I put an arrow towards the. I'll go through those tests later. Now I also worked on editing my essay. I had written it earlier this week, but I was editing just so it could be better. And I'm gonna go now to print that out and then go have lunch and turn in this essay. Why is the lighting changing every 2 seconds? This is my outfit for the day. Oh man.
photoreceptors is what?
Oh,
Okay. Is it the iris, the retina, the cornea? Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Good job. The clear jelly-like substance.
I just got out of my last final. This is the one that I was the most worried about. I'm so glad it's over with. I'm actually thinking that I did pretty good. I do this really weird thing where I have to go and check like the ones that I wasn't sure about. I go and Google them after, and I found out that a lot of the ones that I thought that I got wrong, I got right. So I just feel like a huge weight has been lifted off of my shoulders, and just praise God, because I was so tired. I don't even think I filmed that much for this study vlog, or finals vlog, whatever it is. But I hope that you guys had a good finals week if you're taking finals, or just a good week. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!